Hey there, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Prettier for Visual Studio Code. So here I'm on the official website, which is prettier.io, and you can see we have an install button, but you don't need to click that because we have the extension available inside Visual Studio Code. And before we go to Visual Studio Code to install Prettier, I'm going to click on Docs. And right here you can see Prettier is an opinionated code formatter with support for JavaScript, JSX, which is basically React, Angular, Vue, Flow, TypeScript, CSS, HTML, and so on. So let's install Prettier. So over here, I have my Flappy Bird game, and you can see I have a JavaScript file, CSS, and index.html. And what I'm going to do is click on this button, which is the extensions button, and we're going to search for Prettier. And you can see this is a very popular extension. We have 65.7 million installations. So click on this and just click on install. All right, so we've installed the extension. All right, now to format your code, you can just right click, and over here you have format document, and it says there are multiple formatters for JavaScript files. One of them should be configured as default formatter. Choose one by right clicking again and selecting format document with, and you can see we have Prettier or TypeScript and JavaScript language features. And so I'm going to select Prettier. And you can see the code has been formatted. If you want to see how the code is being formatted, click on the gear icon for settings and select settings. Alternatively, you can just do Ctrl-Shift-P and look for settings, open user settings, and here we can search for Prettier. And you can see we have a bunch of settings over here. So if I scroll down, you can see we have options such as use single quote instead of double quotes for your strings. So if I check this, and in my JavaScript file, if I scroll down, you can see we have some strings over here. If I right click, format document with Prettier, you can see it changes to single quotes. And currently I have the tab space as 2 white spaces. Originally I had it as 4, and I actually prefer it to be 4. So I'm going to go back to settings, and over here, tab width, I'm going to change this to 4. Now let's right click format document with Prettier, and you can see the tab space is now 4. Now having to right click and format document and selecting Prettier every time requires a lot of steps. So let's go back to settings. So over here, if I click on text editor on the left hand side, we can select a default formatter. So I'm going to select Prettier. Alright, now if I add some white space over here and I right click format document, I don't need to select Prettier anymore. And one more thing I can do is format on save. Alright, so back in settings, let's change this and look for format on save. And here I'm just going to check this. Alright, now let's say I add some lines over here, and I'm going to add some spaces over here, remove that semicolon, and change this to double quotes. If I click Ctrl S, you can see everything is reformatted, so the code stays consistent. And of course, since this is just formatting code, the logic of your code stays the same, so I can actually open my file in the browser, and you can see I have a game of Flappy Bird, and it still works, but the code is just more consistent and probably cleaner. Okay? So that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a like. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments, and as always, if you want to stay up to date for more tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.